Hi, it's Bethany and welcome to today's video. Today I am unboxing my brand new Erin Condren planner and I'm so excited to show you because this is pretty much what I'm going to be using for 2022. So let's go ahead and open it. I don't know about you, when I'm working on unboxing anything, I don't really do a lot of preamble. I'm like, let's just open it and get right into it. All right, the way I've got my camera situated, I'm going to take the stuff out and then I'll come right back. All right, so just pulling it out of the box, this is what we're seeing, really pretty yellow tissue. Let's go ahead and open the rest of this. Okay, so kind of a bummer. It looks like my planner's kind of falling out of the packaging, so let me kind of situate that. Okay, so out of all the extra wrapping, here is what I got in my order. I have to say, I was really dumb when I ordered because I ordered right between the Black Friday sale and all the December sales. It was... long story, mistakes were made. All right, so full price on everything. These are the sticky notes I got. I just thought those would be really nice to have. I also have new sticker book. Snap-in dashboard. I don't know if this will fit. It looks like it might in the A5, but I thought that was a risk I was willing to take and check it out. And then the actual planner itself. So this is not really going to be an explanation of the Daily Duo. I feel like there are so many videos about that, so definitely feel free to check those out. But here is what I got. So I went with this really pretty floral pattern on the front. There weren't too many choices for the A5, so it was really easy to pick one that I liked. Inside, we've got more information, and I think this is the thing that comes with some discounts and stuff. It's been a while. And then getting into the actual planner itself. So this is the A5 Daily Duo and it is colorful and I believe it's mid-century circles in the rest of it. This is the first 6 months, I'm assuming. No, this is the first 6 months and then this is the second. Interesting. So of course I could swap those covers, but here is what they look like together. The covers, obviously, you can customize. It's Erin Condren, like I said, lots of info out there on that. But I chose not to customize and put my name or anything on this fancy cover just because I wanted it faster and I didn't want that to be maybe the thing that would make it ship slower. And I really, really want to be able to start these books, this book specifically, I guess, in January. So I was really enjoying my Purple Trail, but I thought, you know what, honestly, this A5 Daily Duo has been on my mind since they first launched the Daily Duo. I actually had one and wound up not using it because of drama, whatever. Anyway, I'm really excited to use these planners. I've been, like I said, wanting to for a while, and when they came with the A5 size, I was like, that's perfect. And I've been kind of lusting over it ever since I first saw it this summer. So I'm really, really excited to get started. If you haven't seen it, let's go ahead and do a little bit of a flip through. All right, so just kind of opening up, we first get this little nice dashboard, wet erase. You can draw on it kind of area, you get your nice vellum. And then here is the first page with your name. I did order like a nice script with my name from Sammy Doodle, so I'm excited to get that in when I set this up. Got your 6 boxes to plan whatever. I have not decided for this yet what I'm going to do with it. I've got some ideas, but still thinking about how I really want to set this up. Got your kind of half year at a glance here, and then 2023 over on the back. And then we get into the month page, which, to be honest, I'll probably continue to track fitness here. That's been working out for me really, really well. And then it gets into the days. So I think with this book and this version, I think that the weekend is on 2 pages. Yes, it is, which I also thought was just really, really attractive. So very, very much excited for that. I think it's really nice. And like I said, I really like all the colors. Actually, I don't know that I will be whiting this out or getting rid of it every day. I think that it's really chic the way it looks just as it is. And I'm just kind of exploring here at the end of the month. Looks like you get a notes page and then back to the next one and on we go. So I'll kind of flip through the different months and just kind of talk about why I decided on this planner for the next year. I've been really loving my Purple Trail planner, but I really, really wanted something with hours in it. And like I said, I've been really, really looking at this planner quite a bit since it launched, and I just couldn't stop thinking about it. And I feel like with Erin Condren, well, not I feel like, it's the fact. You can jump on that train in January or in July. And I just knew if I didn't jump in now, I was going to kind of regret it and still be thinking about it for the next 6 months until July rolls around, which I really didn't necessarily want to do. So those are all of the tabs and the different colors in this first one. Let's see, towards the back, Looks like it does come with stickers. Yep, so it ends with the last daily page. And then some stickers, which is quite nice. Looks like they are gold. My coil, I went with the rose gold. I thought that was really pretty. And it looks like, yep, more stickers and then ending pocket towards the back. All right, and here is the rest of it. So there is our, again, different dates in 2022, kind of kicking off the rest of that 6 months, and then 2023 on the back, and then shifting into each of these months here. But yeah, I was really liking Purple Trail. I love the paper of it. It was kind of nice to be able to remove stickers again. I wanted that back, so I'm really excited to have the tooth and the grit of an Eric Condren again. It's been a long time, but yeah, I'm just so excited to use this planner. And I honestly don't know if I'll keep up with the Plum Paper dailies. I definitely will through the rest of the year, or sorry, the Plum Paper weekly. But I keep finding myself in a daily planner, and I'm not really drawn to the weekly as much. I'm not using it as much. And I honestly just really, really like the daily planning. And I've just noticed that personally, I feel better in just one planner. Like, that feels easy and really nice to me, and it makes sense. And I'm sure that even saying that, there'll be a time later this year where I'm gonna be like, yeah, I'm adding in this other thing because it's fun. But yeah, for right now, one planner just sounds really, really nice, and just have one thing to focus on. So this will be my main planner, at least what I'm planning right now for 2022. Looks like we've got additional stickers here in the second book as well. So 2 sets of these stickers. And then, oh, looks like this one does. I wasn't sure if it was going to come with this. I vaguely remember this from when I used to have an EC planner. So perpetual calendar, that's always pretty cool. So yeah, I guess if you wanted to count this as a planner stack, these 2 books together right now is all I'm planning for 2022. I'm really excited for it. So thanks so much for checking out this video. Just a little short one to unbox and take a look at these new planners. I do plan to have a setup video at some point. Sooner the better. I'm really excited to dive in. But yeah, I just need to kind of get a plan together on how I want to set all these things up, but then I'm sure there'll be moving stuff. So again, thanks so much for joining. Hope you're having a great rest of your day, great rest of your week, and we will chat soon. Bye guys.